Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for today's class, we continue our lab tutorial 3 for frame element. Okay, for this exercise, we will conduct an analysis for frame element. Okay, so our model will be a frame like this triangle shape with 3 pillars. Okay, the dimension basically all the edge is 2 meters length. Okay, and then this is the cross section of the frame. It is a I shape. Okay, so this is the detail of the dimensions. Okay, materials is a structural steel. Mesh will be look like this. The boundary conditions, okay, fixed at the bottom at the 3 pillars at the bottom part, and force acting at this respective point. Okay, then we will get the post-processing and also the results. Okay, to start with, okay, switch on your workbench. Okay, click the static structural. Okay, as usual, click geometry. Okay, to start with, okay, we can start with the XY plane. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, so then have different views. Okay, if you need to have the grid, okay, you can make it here. For grid, show in 2D. Okay, so basically, then we draw, select line, make it simple. In the middle here, vertical here, then another it is here. Okay, change the dimension. Okay, for this one is 2 meter. 2 meter. Okay, zoom in, then another one, draw line. This, okay, double check the dimension. Okay, make it 2 meters also. Okay, so we have the distance is 2 meter, 2 meter, and 2 meter. Okay, next for the other part, okay, go to this view. You want to make another pillar here. Okay, draw again, line. Sorry, before that we change the setting at YZ plane. Okay. The sketching. And then we're gonna conduct this. Never mind, just draw it first. Horizontal. Okay. Change the dimension. Okay, start here. This is 2 meter, and this is also 2. Okay, so then go to the modeling. Okay, double check our detail. So the first one is here, the second one is here. Okay, now we want to merge both. Okay, so we click concept, line from sketches. Okay, we can select this one first, for example. When we click here, then apply. So another one. Okay, then generate. Then go for get concept, sketches. 2, and apply. Okay, if you notice here, we only have one part, so it means that they are merged together. Okay, if you click, okay, oh, before that we have to generate first. Generate, then when we click here, so it is the same or one part. Okay, one part, one body. Okay, now we want to make a line here. Okay, so to avoid mistake, okay, play around with this. So we will select the right point. Okay, then again, after we generate concept, line from point. Okay, try, click here, click control, another point here. Okay, then apply. Okay, so then generate. So your body is like this. Okay, this is our model. Then we must create the cross section. Okay, so go to concept, cross section, click the eye section. Okay, so the detail of this is the dimension. So to do that, okay, put aside your details here. Okay, where is our detail? Okay, this is the dimension. Okay, change the dimension. Okay, this is 0.05. 0.5, 0.1, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, by setting this, if you notice here, okay, so we'll have all the properties here given. So it is automated or calculated. Okay, so by having this, then you click, you have your cross section, then click the line body here, cross section, select of what we are create before. Okay, then generate. Okay, so first we want to see all our model here, so I like to switch off the grid here. Okay, then go to our modeling, then we want to see our model. Okay, so to look into your model, go to view, click the cross section solids. So this will be your model. Okay, if you notice here, we have the eye shape of the model. Okay, this is the beauty of using frame element. We don't need to develop the solid model, we just consider the frame model. Okay, so if you notice here, the direction is different. Okay, so we can change the rotation of the beam, okay, by clicking this one. Okay, for example, you click the edge here. Okay, you can rotate, for example, 90 degrees. Okay, enter. You see, we can rotate the beam. So do for this one, if you click here, for example, rotate 90, enter, it will rotate. So do for this one, another one, if you want to notice here, 90 degrees, it's rotate. Okay, but for our case, I want to make it original, just to make it is a 90. This one also 0 degree. So for this one, it is a 0 degree. Okay, then we generate. Okay, then we go to model. Double click. Generate. So this is your model.